Hello friends, is your steering behaving strangely? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0554, it means there's an issue with the power steering pressure PSP sensor circuit intermittent. This can cause unpredictable steering response, rough idling, or even engine stalling. In this video, I'll explain what P0554 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0554? The P0554 code stands for Power Steering Pressure Sensor Circuit Intermittent. This means the power steering pressure PSP sensor is sending inconsistent voltage signals to the engine control module, ECM. The ECM uses this data to adjust engine performance when steering. If the signal is unstable, it can lead to erratic steering feel, rough idling, or even engine hesitation. Common symptoms of P0554: check engine light, CEL, is on unpredictable steering effort, too light or too stiff. Engine stalling when turning RPM fluctuations, or rough idle reduced fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing any of these issues, let's locate the faulty sensor. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0554, check these key components. Power steering pressure, PSP, sensor location, typically mounted on the high-pressure power steering hose, near the power steering pump. Power steering pump location, attached to the engine and driven by a serpentine belt, responsible for generating hydraulic pressure. Power steering fluid reservoir location, located near the power steering pump, holding the hydraulic fluid needed for smooth steering. Tip: a failing PSP sensor can send erratic signals, making steering unpredictable and affecting engine performance. Common causes of P0554. Failing PSP sensor. A worn-out sensor may send fluctuating signals to the ECM. Loose or damaged wiring, corrosion, or breaks in the sensor wiring can cause intermittent voltage readings. Power steering fluid issues. Low or contaminated fluid can cause inconsistent pressure readings. Faulty power steering pump. A failing pump can create pressure fluctuations, confusing the sensor. ECM communication issues. In rare cases, a malfunctioning ECM may misinterpret sensor signals. How to fix P0554? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0554 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the PSP sensor for damage or leaks. Step 3. Check the wiring harness for loose, broken, or corroded connectors. Step 4. Test the PSP sensor's voltage output using a multimeter. Step 5. Check the power steering fluid level and ensure it's clean and at the proper level. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive the vehicle to see if the issue returns. Ignoring P0554 can lead to steering instability, poor engine response, and increased fuel consumption. Fixing it early ensures a safe and smooth driving experience. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0356, ignition coil, F primary secondary circuit malfunction. P0357, ignition coil, G primary secondary circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.